Hey guys, welcome you all. And Sumin and you're watching Computer Experts. We are going to start the session by installation of Microsoft SQL Server 2019. Make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. For this, first of all, open your favorite browser. In the Google search box, type SQL Server 2019 download and hit enter. So a couple of options are flashing on the screen. Click on the first links which is showing you the site of Microsoft.com. So just click on SQL Server download, and here this is the first screen which is flashing here. This is the Microsoft.com website. Here you have to click on the downloads option. You can scroll around the website to see certain options. As you're able to see on screen, there are two free specialized editions. One is developer edition and another one is express edition. So it's up to you which edition you want to download. So developer edition is full-featured free edition. It is licensed for use as a development and test database in a non-production environment. And SQL Server 2019 Express Edition is the free edition of SQL Server, ideal for the development and production for desktop, web, and small server applications. In this video, we are going to see how to download the developer edition. So we'll click on the developer download now button. Now the exe file has been downloaded at the lower left hand corner of the browser. Now open the exe file to start the installation process of SQL Server 2019. Now the installation process has been started, as you're able to see on the screen. So it's going to take some of the time. So here you have to select between the basic, custom. Now select the basic option and click on the accept. So before installation, check out the space on your laptop which you want to install the SQL Server 2019. If you're having the required space on your laptop, then click on the install button. Now the installation process is started. Depending on the speed of your internet, it's going to take some of your time. If the speed is more like you are having the broadband, then it's obviously is going to be downloaded very easily and very soon.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
click on install SSMS. This will start the installation process of SQL Server Management Studio, and you can scroll down further to see certain options. Now the installation has completed, and now click on close button. we are going to open the Microsoft SQL Server 2019 in our laptop.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
In this way, you can download SQL Server 2019 in your laptop. That's all for today. Stay connected for the further videos of the channel. Until then, goodbye and good luck.